Hey, top of the morning to you. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today from Fire Launchers, there's a product called Make Money with PLR Blueprint. And the cool thing about it is it's a PLR product itself. So you get two sides to it. One side is you get to learn more about how to make money with PLR. And the second side to it, let's see here, it's $7.46 as I'm recording this right now. So you get a copy and you can resell copies. So you sell one copy, it costs you nothing. The whole thing is a wash. And from there on in, you're in 100% profit. So a PLR product about how to make money with PLR has got to be the most evergreen thing out there. People are going to want to be able to make money with PLR on an ongoing basis. Take a little look inside, give you a look at what's there. The link is in the video description. You click the link, it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There is a bit of a description of what's inside it, exactly all the different chapters of the actual product, and then what different, from the training guide to the sales page, to the sales video, to the graphics, to the banners, to the email templates and the mini site and the legal page and the social media graphics and the PDF graphics, and then some extra bonuses that come with that, instant profit from PLR, how to set up a PLR product step-by-step tutorial, and then PLR product rebranding. And all three of those are about how to make money with PLR. So you're getting a make money with PLR product, and then there's extra bonuses showing you exactly how to make money with PLR, the rebranding and so on. And I'll just quickly cover it that if you call this, let's get the exact. So if you call this make money with PLR Blueprint, you buy it and try to resell it with the same graphics as make money with PLR Blueprint, there could be 500 to 1,000 people that buy this product, just to pick a number. And so you're competing with all of those in Google to try and be number one. So what are the odds? The odds are you're about page 58. Nobody cares. Nobody ever sees it. You never make any money. However, what if you changed it to PLR Explosion and you edited the graphics? You can see the make money with PLR. You edit. Oh, sorry, I'm looking at my page, not the page that we're showing on the screen here. So let's scroll back up to this. There's the copy of it, Make Money with PLR. So again, you can go in and edit these graphics. So you can change this to, I'll use PLR Explosion. Take it, it's free. I'm betting you can come up with something better, but if you can't, there you go, PLR Explosion. So if you went up, I would assume you do a Google search for it, and I assume you look and you go, hey, nobody else has got PLR Tsunami, PLR Explosion, PLR Earthquake. There you go, I gave you 3 different ones. And you find one that's all yours. You're number one automatically because there's no number 2. So then when you put it out on Twitter, you're the only guy selling, let's call PLR Explosion. And it's probably taken, but you get the idea. You're going to make it Johnny's PLR Cash Box. There's a million different names, and it becomes your product. So the first thing is you're going to change the graphics. You can't look like this and be Johnny's PLR, whatever I called it. So you're going to change the title. You're now the author, and so on. And the next thing you want to do, for 2 reasons, is to edit a little bit of the content inside it. So it's a PDF format. You go inside and you go at the beginning, and you're going to put a little introductory chapter. This is the easiest thing going. You're going to say, hi, here's what you're going to learn, right? It can be 1 paragraph. My name's Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Here's the product. Make money with Andy's PLR Cash Explosion, whatever we called it. And you're going to learn how to buy PLR, where the best place to get PLR, how to rebrand it, where to sell it, how to make money with PLR, blah, 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 whatever's inside it. That's your first chapter. And then the rest of it's the same. And then at the end, you're going to summarize it. That's going to be really tough to add stuff. Yeah, hi, Andy here again. I hope you enjoyed my product, because it's my product. I wrote it. It's my PLR. I own it. And I named it my title. So nobody else even has a claim to my Andy's Cashbox Explosion of PLR goodies, whatever crazy name you call it. You're now number 1 on Google for that offer. And you can resell it. You'll see what I mean. You can do. So here at the end of it all, you're going to summarize it. It's pretty much the same thing as the introductory chapter. Hi, hope you enjoyed learning how to rebrand, how to buy PLR, how to resell PLR, and how to change it. If you're interested in finding out more about PLR and making money with it, click this link. And what's this link going to be? Well, this link could be anything you decide, but it's probably going to be in your best interest that you lead people on to another offer that shows them how to make money with PLR. So there's lots of different offers out there, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo. You're going to make money from that extra link. So you're getting paid to edit the product, to make it your own product, to get all the money from the sales of it. And it's your product that you sell, that you have on your website, and it's your Andy's PLR cash box explosion, whatever you call it. So you see what I'm saying? At the end of it all, you're now unique from this. You have a different cover, because they'll give you a few different covers. You're going to pick a cover that's not this one. You're going to change the title that's on the top there. You can change anything else. You can call it something else. You can call it something down at the bottom there. Change that. So the whole thing's different. And you're going to do some editing inside so it's different. And if you really wanted to go the whole 9 yards, you could create another chapter. So you've got an introductory thing, you've got a conclusion thing, you've got a link to another product that's related to the one that's there. For further information, click here. And then what else you got? Well, you could do another, my experience with PLR, it's been best selling it at Warrior Plus, and I've done this and this and this, and I've made these kind of sales. So you could flesh it out. You could also do research and go, hey, they found that this is a good way to do it. And you can list it on these kind of PLR listing places and get some sales. And be sure to put it on Twitter, and be sure to put it on YouTube, do a YouTube review video. So you're just adding in some more stuff from your own information, from your own research, and you're making it, again, even more your product. So that's a lot of stuff for a $7.48 product. I'm going to say click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can click the product box with the Make Money with PLR and Blueprint, and away you go. You can grab it for $7.48, fresh out today from Fire Launchers. There you go. Click the link in the video description. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Enjoy.